Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Fortron Academy. My name is Harshwats, and in today's video, I am going to tell you how to convert PDF file in Excel file. Although it is thought to be as one of the most difficult tasks, but it is not. In today's video, I will tell you how you can do it. Now let's move forward and talk about the point to be discussed in today's video. In today's video, I will tell you how to get data out of PDF file, especially the data that is available in a table form in a PDF file. So after that, I will tell you how to transfer that data, or you can say a table, in Excel file. Now let's move forward, and now I will show you the PDF file from which we will take the tables and transfer it to our Excel file. So this is our first PDF in which we have a simple table which has a disability category, participant, ballot completed, ballot incompleted, result accuracy, time to compete, and all these things are available in our this table. So this is kind of simple table that is available in our PDF. Now we have a second PDF which is a research paper. So you can see this is a research paper and you have a lot of different tables available within this PDF. So you can see this is a complex table. So although there are a lot of different tables like this one and other table are also available in this PDF. Now you can see this is also one of the table. Now we want to convert and send all these tables into our Excel file. How can we do that? For that we have to go in Microsoft Excel. Now let's go to the Microsoft Excel. Now we are in the starting page of Microsoft Excel and this is what it looks like. Now the question comes into your mind that how can I convert that PDF table into Excel workbook? That is also kind of easy with the new updates that came along with Microsoft 365. So first of all we will open a blank workbook. Just click on a blank workbook. You will see a blank workbook opens up in your screen. So in here what you have to do, so we want a data, right? So with data comes into the mind that data ribbon is available to us. So you have to go in the Microsoft Excel in a data ribbon. When I go into the data ribbon, there are a lot of features, but I am looking particularly for getting data option. So where should I go? Correct. I will go into the get data section. In a get data section, you will see a brief description of it that it easily discover, connect and combine data from multiple sources, then shapes and refine it to meet your needs. So that I want. So in here you will see there are a lot of things that are available to you, that you can get your data from the database, from Azure, from Power BI, from online services, from other resources. You can get your data from all these perspective or all these files. But for now I need a data from PDF file. So again I will go from file section because it is a PDF file, right? In a from file section you will see a PDF option. From PDF, import data from a PDF document. So when I click on a from PDF option, you will see an import data option opens up in your PC, in which you have to find the file you want to import in your Excel. So first of all, likely I have shown you the two files that we will import today in our Excel. First we will start with a basic. So this is a table section we need. So this is a table PDF which I've shown you, which has a very simple table. Now I will click on just import. When you click on import, it will start connecting with your PDF, and in the background it is working with a PDF to convert that PDF file into our Excel file. So it will take a few seconds to work throughout the process, and you will see a new box will appear on your screen which is looking like this. Now you will see there is a navigator box opens up in your screen. Now table.pdf has two options. One is table 001, Another is page 001. So I will click on table 001. When you click on table 001, you will see a table. So this is the table that we have. So now we have this table. So particularly now what you can see that there are certain amendment I have to do. So there are two things that you can done after loading the data from the PDF in Excel. Either you can directly load your data or you can transform your data. Because you can see in here there is a null option available which is not required in my table. So I have to clear this thing. So for that I will click on transform data. When I click on transform data, you will be transferred to Power Query Editor. So you can see the Power Query Editor opens up, and this is what our data now look like. So now you have to change your data because this two things, this I want combined with this, or you can certainly easily do remove the row. First row I have to completely remove. So you can go to remove rows, remove top rows. You can click on that. After that you will see your top rows will be removed and it will ask you a question how many rows you want to delete from the top. I want to remove the top first row. So after that click on OK. Now you will see your first option, your first row has been removed. After that click on close and load. So when you click on close and load, it will transform your data and it will load that data in your Microsoft Excel. Now within a few seconds you will see your data. Now you can see your table has been loaded in your Microsoft Excel. Now there are few things that you have to do with your data, that my second row is actually the row headers. In spite the Microsoft Excel, what has it done that it created a new header which I do not want. So again you can go to your Power Query, double click on it, and you can go in our Power Query editor, and again you have to make this first row as headers. Just click on this option and now you will see it has become a header. Again just click on close and load. Now you will see the table again changed and now the heading become the row headers, the table headers. So now the table is ready for use. Now this is what we can do with a simple table. But now I will tell you another method for the long table. Like in the second PDF, I have shown you that the complex tables are available. Then how the Microsoft Excel will work with it is also the thing you should look at. So we will go into another sheet to load a new data. So I will cancel this and I will again go into the data section. In the get data section, again from file, I will go from PDF because that second file is also a PDF but it is bit more complex. So again we will go from PDF. Again I will choose this research article. Again I will click on import. Again it will take a few seconds for making a connection and converting that into the data that is available in our Excel. Now you will see there are a lot of options. There are 53 options in a table. Now if you see one by one, there are a lot of things that are available, but you have to go through the tables to select the right. Like this is not the thing, this is not the thing, this is not, this is not, this is not, but this is. Yeah, that means table 13 is the correct table. So you can see this table. So now again you have to transform the data. For now I'm just loading the data. You can certainly click on load and you can see your table will be loaded in your Microsoft Excel within a few seconds. So you can see it is loading. So now you can see this is the table. So if you have to transform that data, you can just double click on it and again it will take you to the Power Query editor, and in there you can certainly do the editing from your own part and you can make changes in your data. And again after making changes in your Power Query editor, you will be again returned to your Microsoft Excel, which is this. So this is how you convert the data available in a PDF file into your Excel. So with this point, I am going to end this video and I hope your all queries have been cleared. And if not, kindly write us in comment section and we will surely get back to you. And if this video helped you in any way, kindly drop us a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel for amazing videos in future. Till then, have an amazing and good day.